Welcome to 4306 Garden Boulevard, built in 2006 and located in the growing northeast section of Cape Coral. This value-priced 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is well maintained and is truly move-in ready. With vaulted ceilings, open-concept living area, inside laundry with washer and dryer included, kitchen pantry, large primary bedroom with ensuite bath make for comfortable living. The primary bedroom offers privacy and comfort with a generous walk-in closet and a private bath with double sink vanity and a walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet, are perfect for guests, a home office, or den. Enjoy peaceful evenings in your screened-in lanai overlooking the backyard, with plenty of space to create your dream outdoor garden oasis, recreational area, or even add a pool. Upgrades include a new roof in 2023 and hurricane impact windows with lifetime guarantee, giving you peace of mind. There is no HOA, is not located in a flood zone and offers easy access to local shopping, dining, parks, with new shopping venues recently announced to be added to this great neighborhood. A home warranty plan from American Home Shield is offered to the new home owners. Don't miss taking advantage of this bargain-priced home. Schedule your private showing today.